Part 2 of trying to get the cat up. He's sleeping right in the garage. Get up! Get up! You're sleeping underneath the garage door. Get up! Get up! Come on, get up! Get up! Get up, lazy cat! Get up! Get up! It's like the 6th time I'm trying to wake him up and get him out of the garage door so I can close the garage door. Cat sleeping right underneath the garage. Get up, cat. Get up. Come on, get up. 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 Just get up. Get up. It's just moving its tail. It doesn't want to get up. I guess I have to wait till the sun goes down, but it looks like the sun won't go down until a while. Another 3-4 more hours. I guess I'll just leave the cat be and let him sleep right there underneath the garage door. Hey, yawning, getting up. Good, come on, get up. Get up. Let's see if he lays back down again. Get up. Come on, let's go. Get up out of the garage. No? And there he goes, goes back to sleep. Lazy. Last time. Get up! Get up! Get up! Well, guess I failed. Can't close my garage door. Alright. See, you got sneeze, you got allergies. Are you gonna get up? Get up! Come on. Get up, kitty. Wish I could have got that in slow-mo, huh? It's too much allergies now, huh? Come on, kitty. Get out of the garage door. I gotta close the garage. Well, I guess the cat doesn't want to leave. Guess I'm gonna leave him there. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna leave you alone.